Okay, we're at the countryside chalupa, little villa, the village house, and we're gonna do an unboxing on this Parkside. We got it from Lidl. Got an old one that actually I forgot to drain the water out of it, and it froze over the winter, this last winter. So we gotta cut the tie wraps off. Alright, it says 3-year guarantee, brass click system, which I got brass spray gun Parkside. We'll see how good it is. It's not plastic, so let's see. Take this out. What else is in there? How come I can't get that out? What's going on? Hold on. So I can do this. I see the problem. There's tape there. I gotta cut that. I think I can just use these cutters here to cut that. Ooh, my finger's in the way. Ooh, if I can get in there. I'm gonna have to do this separate. Or maybe I got a knife for that. Hold on. Okay, knife. Nope. No, but I'm not gonna be able to do it with one hand. Moment. Okay. Done now. Alright, what is all this? Do we need such a big instruction booklet for a garden pistol? Spray gun, they call it on this one. Instructions for use. Let's see. Alright. PDF. Oh, you can even get a PDF online. Alright, thank you. Oh, we got this in Lidl. Look at this. Okay, hold on. Well, there's a diagram. Alright. Caution. Oh, it's incorrect. Look at this. Incorrect installation or use may result in injury. Danger to life. Oh, I don't understand. There's this packing material. Is it danger of suffocation? I don't know. Well, it's for the stupid people, I suppose. Danger of slipping. Ground is wet. Ooh. Slippery when wet. Anybody got that reference? Look at this one. Never point the water jet at people or animals. What? Thought that's what you should do. Come on, man. Water not for drinking. What are you talking about? Oh my. Water not for drinking. What about my water from my well? Okay, well. Okay. What else is here? Storage and cleaning. Well, that's quite a bit. Let's see what they say. Completely dry, no water. Yeah, that's true because I didn't drain the other one and it froze and cracked it. I'll try to see if I can show you that later. Then it jumps to Hungarian, it looks like. Yeah. And I think there's many others. Okay. The Slovenian. What else we got? What is that? There's Czech. Alright. Pozor. Pozor. Upozorni. Okay. We're gonna go check it out. Alright, let's kind of pick this up. Feels pretty good. Hear that? Well, it is pretty heavy, actually. There's this dial back here, and I'll bet you this nozzle's gonna turn. Oh, and you got a little latch there. You can latch it so it's full time on, right? Oh, look at that. Okay. Let's go see. Parkside spray gun. First, we gotta have a beer. Oh. Okay, let's go check it out. Here we go, spray gun. We're going over here to the garden centrum. Okay, there's the old one. Let's check it out. Can't remember where I got this one from. It was quite good when it was working. See, this one also has a lock. See that? This right there. But it leaks when it's under pressure. So, pull a little bit of hose out so we can try it. I catch my fresh water, what I just use for cleaning up and stuff. Catch the rubbish and toss the rubbish into the compost. And save the water for gardening flowers. Garden. Moment. Oh yeah. Let's turn this on. Okay. See? It's already leaking. And it's leaking from some crack. I'll have to show you here in a second. Okay. There you can see that. See that crack right there? That's where it's leaking. And I put it away last winter without completely draining all the water out. Yeah, my fault. Oh well. You gotta learn from your mistakes. It was a good one. Lasted a few years, probably about 8 years, 10 years almost, maybe. Something like that. Okay, let's put the new one on. Okay, I got the new one. Do you think I can do this one-handed? Let's see how easy this one will go in. I don't know, man. I'm gonna have to snap it on after. Hold on. Okay, it's on. Let's turn it on so it's under pressure. You got me under pressure. All right. No leaks so far. Look at that. Okay, I'm not sure how this sprays. I don't have high pressure. I have water from my own well. With a small little pump. It pumps it out for my garden. All right, let's see. Let's see what it's set on right out of the package. Nothing there. All right, we're going to have to turn some knobs, I guess. Hold on. Okay, got it figured out. This one is how much flow you're going to have. So it's all the way turned off. And it is really hard to turn. Not really hard. It's just solid. And then this one will change it from spray to a stream. Since I can't do it one-handed, I will have to show it in increments. Take notice of where that is now. Okay. If you notice, it's turned totally open. And there's your spray. Look at that. Looks pretty good. No leakage. That's nice. No leakage. Nice. Okay, we'll change it to a stream. Or how about I do it in like 2 or 3 increments. Now this should be less spray. Oh, okay, I just did it a small turn. Look at that. Alright, that's doing pretty good. Alright, let's back it halfway. Oh, that's nice. Now let's see if I can do this. Maybe I can do it by hand. Let's go like that a little bit. Just a bit. Yeah. Alright, it's not much. Watch this. Just a little bit. You'll see. And then just a little more. Watch. Okay. A little bit more. Okay. Let's see if we can how tight we can get the stream to go. Oh, that's pretty good, dude. Alright. I think that's good. Let's go over here. I'll put something up here to clean. Oh, hold on. I have to get myself some more hose. More hose. You hoser. The sun's in the background. We got to live with it. But, let's look at this. Okay, we're going to clean these carpets. Or doormats. Rohoshka. Alright, kittens. Look at that. Oh, they're pretty dirty. I think that's working good. I don't have my system set on super high pressure. Got old pipes, old house. So I keep it kind of on a medium setting. I think about 2 bars, 3 bars maximum. Alright, that works good. I'd have to say, thumbs up on it. Parkside from Lidl. I don't know if everybody knows Lidl, but I think I got it. It had some special deal in the gadget section. I think it was about 150 crowns. What was that, about $6-7 euro? €6-7, $8-9, something like that. Okay, cool. Let's blast it to the sky. All right, cool, man. All right, I think it's gonna be good. Okay, water, pistol, spray gun, Lidl, Parkside, unboxing. Not bad. I recommend it. Good price. It's all brass, so it feels pretty nice, heavy construction. And disclaimer, I don't get paid for any of this. I'm just showing the cool things that I get. And by the way, it says don't shoot the animals with this thing. Or maybe I'll shoot the kids. No, said not to, so we can't. Okay, enjoy. Countryside living, village style.